How to buy and sell crypto on KuCoin P2P trading. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step beginner's guide on how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on KuCoin P2P trading using the KuCoin app. First thing, you know the drill, you have to make sure that you already have an account and that your account is verified. After that, you need to complete the KYC and all of that. Next, you need to go and set up the payment method. So for that, go to the P2P trading section and click on payment settings. Add your preferred payment methods, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other options available. Make sure to double check the details to avoid any issues during transaction. Now you need to go and buy crypto on the KuCoin P2P. Then you could navigate to the P2P trading, select the buy tab, and then you need to choose an offer. After that, you need to make the payment, and when you've actually made the payment, you can receive the crypto as well. As per the selling crypto on KuCoin P2P, navigate to the P2P trading one more time and then select the sell tab, and next thing you need to create the sell order, that is enter the exact amount that you wish to sell. Select your price or choose sell at the best available offers. Select your preferred payment method for receiving funds. Wait for the buyer's response and all of that, and confirm the payment and release the crypto. So that is how you could go ahead and buy sell crypto on P2P trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.